Hey everybody, welcome back to the kitchen. Today is day 5 of the AeroGarden update and we've got sprouts. Yes, so it's finally happening. Let's just cut to the chase. Let's jump in. We will try and show this on camera. They're really tiny. We've got a couple of the early starters that are set to actually sprout, as the time said today, have started to sprout. So I'm gonna try and get them on camera to show you, and let's cut to that and we will talk about what day we're on and where we're at with the AeroGarden. Pretty awesome, it's working. Okay, here we are on days planted as 4, and on the left-hand side and then on the right 10. We have 10 days before we have to give it some more of our plant food. Days planted 4, but this is the 5th update. So it has been growing for 4 full days now, and we are starting to see a couple of sprouts on the early ones that said between 4 days. So we've got, I'm gonna try and show on the camera, it's hard to kind of see though, is a tiny little sprout on there of the, and this is the Thai Basil. You might not be able to see that on camera. It might still be kind of too dark in there, but you gotta trust me, it'll be there. Tomorrow it'll be popped up a little bit more. So we'll cover that back up. There's a little sprout showing, so Thai Basil showing, and that said it sprouts between 4 and 7 days. So we're right on the 4 days. And then we've got the Genovese Basil, and I noticed looking at that, if you look carefully, again, you might not be able to see in the camera, we've got some sprout starting in there as well. And that one said 6 to 12 days, so it looks like a little bit early, which is kind of cool. So the basil is definitely the ones that start first. And I looked at the other ones and there was nothing. So nothing in the mint, nothing in the thyme, nothing in the dill, and definitely nothing in the parsley. The parsley says 21 to 28 days. So it will be a ways off. But we've got some basil, so that's awesome. We'll start to see some more growth on the channel in the next few days for sure. And I think probably if it keeps going as it's going, we'll probably be able to see the actual sprouts coming out in the next couple days, I would say. So let's just quickly check the water levels here. It is still fine, obviously not doing much. The pump isn't going right now. We'll do a video on showing when and how the pump works to circulate the AeroGarden water in an upcoming video. So make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications, and that way you'll get notified when I post a new one. I'll be posting an update to this every day. So for today, that is day 4 planted with the AeroGarden. Pretty awesome. All right, there we go, day 5 update. That's pretty awesome. We've got stuff happening, so it's gonna be a bit more exciting to kind of see what starts to grow here. And I don't know how long the basil will actually take until it comes up and we can trim the leaves and cook on an upcoming recipe, but hopefully you'll follow along and see how long that does take and what we actually get to produce out of the AeroGarden. Be sure to subscribe, be sure to hit the notification bell. If you did enjoy this video, do give me a thumbs up. It always helps out the channel. It lets me know you like the videos. And if you want to catch up on some of my prior videos to this series on the AeroGarden, I'll link them at the end of this video so you can jump on and see some of our previous ones. And if you are interested in catching me on a live stream, I do regular live streams Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 5 o'clock Mountain Time, cooking healthy, nutritious, quick and simple meals live. You can join in, you can chat, you can ask questions, and it's usually a lot of fun. We've got a lot of regulars that join, and it's a good time, good way to learn to make a quick and easy dinner for home. Until tomorrow, have a great day, and I'm gonna be looking at these things all day to see how much they actually kind of grow in one day. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you tomorrow, and be safe, everybody. Thanks a lot.